Billing procedure. All offices will have different billing procedure. Accuracy is important to maintaining good financial record. When the patient sees the physician for his or her care, a multi-purpose billing form may be used. This form will contain the physician or group name, patient name and insurance information, code for the services received and the diagnostic codes, date and description of services, follow-up appointment information, the total charge and any payment received. The multi-purpose form can be used to bill the insurance company for payment based on the services the physician provide or given to the patient as a receipt after payment for service. Keep a log of patient visits with date of appointment. Note the charge for the service, any payment made on the account, and any balance owed. Charges, payments, and balances owed should be maintained for each individual patient. This can be done either on a computer system, a ledger card, or balance sheet. Information includes the date of the service, the description with reference code, the fee, any payments made neither by the patient nor the insurance company, and the balance owed. Statements may be sent out to patients on a monthly basis. As with all information involving the patient, record accuracy is most important, especially when calculating the daily receipts. Use of desk calculator, computer system, or printing and display calculator can be used to assist in the calculation of the daily total of monies received. Cycle billing allows the office to maintain a positive cash flow throughout the month by mailing billing statements at different times of the month. This allows for payments to arrive continuously through the month. Statements can be mailed based on alphabetical grouping of the patient's last name, account number, insurance, or the first date of service provided. Computer reports are an effective way to monitor payments received. Billing service. Medical office that utilize billing service prepare the patient statement using computerized statement and mail it directly to the patient. Repeated bills may be sent to a patient for unpaid amounts with a statement reminding the patient that the balance is due, and if not received within a certain time frame, other action will be taken. The billing service may use a collection agency to collect the fees for services when repeated statements have been sent without returned payment or the patient cannot be reached by telephone.
One or more of the train doors is unable to close. Stand back and ensure your bags are clear of the doors.
When this occurs, the medical office cannot send out a bill for payment. Another instance when a collection agency may be used is when a patient moves, leaving no forwarding address and a balance is owed. Payment to the medical office can also be accepted in credit or debit card. Payment is made directly to the medical office through the credit card company. Debit card payments are transactions that involve electronic payment from the patient's bank account. A medical office may agree to allow the patient to pay off debt using installment payments. If installment payments are agreed upon, the patient must sign a truth in lending form. This form will contain the total price for services, any down payment made, any insurance payments received, the unpaid balance, monthly payment agreed upon, any finance charge, and the due date for payment. A written notice to the patient must be included stating the terms. The patient signs the form and receives a copy. Payments made by personal check should include the patient's name, address, and a telephone number. If the check is returned for insufficient fund, redeposit the check for payment. If funds are not available, call the patient to inform them of the problem and that they can make payment with cash or money order as soon as possible. There may be some instances when patients may say they never received a bill. Verify all current address information with them and remail the bill, following up with a call to the patient a few days later to verify that he/she received it. patient stating they mailed the check can supply you with the check number, amount, and the date it was mailed. Call if it is not received within a few days. Always be courteous and professional in dealing with patients. Physicians sometimes may make a fee adjustment. If the insurance company feels that the fee the physician charged was too high for the procedure performed, then they will pay the physician the amount allowed by the insurance company. The fee is then adjusted with the physician accepting what the insurance company pays. This is called a write-off.